Imagine a world where equations are unsolvable mysteries, where the word algorithm doesn't even exist. Can you picture it? That's the world before Al-Khwarizmi, a brilliant mind who changed everything. His story is incredible, inspiring, and it's one you'll never forget. Let me take you back to a time when one man's curiosity lit up the future. Picture Baghdad in the year 820 CE, a city alive with energy, buzzing with scholars from every corner of the world. The House of Wisdom stands tall, a breathtaking hub of knowledge during the Islamic Golden Age. The air is thick with hope, discovery, and the hum of ideas being shared. In the middle of it all is Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian scholar with a spark of genius. The Caliph, Al-Mamun, has gathered the brightest minds, and Al-Khwarizmi's talents shine like a beacon. Can you feel the excitement of that moment? Let me tell you about where it all began. Al-Khwarizmi was born around 780 CE in Khwarizm, now part of Uzbekistan, a land rich with history. We don't know much about his childhood, but imagine a young boy, fascinated by numbers, gazing at the stars. His name, meaning from Khwarizm, hints at his roots. When the Caliph called him to Baghdad's House of Wisdom, he didn't hesitate. Picture yourself leaving home for a chance to learn from the best. Scary, right? But Al-Khwarizmi said yes to that adventure. There, he dove into Greek, Indian, and Persian texts, soaking up wisdom. Though he didn't convert to a new faith, his life transformed through knowledge. And that's when the magic started. Now let's dive into the heart of his story, his unbelievable achievements. First, there's his masterpiece, Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala. That's a mouthful, but it means the book of calculation by completion and balancing. He gave us algebra, yes. The word itself comes from al-Jabr. Imagine him scribbling equations, solving problems like x squared plus 10x equals 39. His methods were so clear, so practical, they helped everyday folks with things like trade and inheritance. Then he brought us numbers as we know them. His book on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system introduced zero and decimals to the West. Think about it, without him, we'd still be stuck with Roman numerals. How frustrating would that be? His name even inspired algorithm. Pretty cool, huh? In the stars he shone too. Al-Khwarizmi created astronomical tables, charts, tracking the sun, moon, and planets. Picture him under the night sky, perfecting tools like the astrolabe. His work guided prayers and voyages for centuries. And don't forget geography. He crafted a world map for the Caliph, fixing old errors and plotting over 2,400 places. Can you imagine the wonder of seeing the world unfold like that? But here's the big question: how did one man do so much? His brilliance still echoes today. Al-Khwarizmi's story moves me deeply. His life teaches us curiosity, always asking, always learning. He didn't just sit back, he blended ideas from everywhere. Greek, Indian, Persian. Isn't that inspiring? His dedication to sharing knowledge feels like a gift to us all. When I think of his struggles, leaving home, tackling the unknown, it hits close to home. It reminds me to keep pushing, even when it's tough. And his spirit of collaboration, it's a lesson in humility and openness. Don't you feel a little prouder knowing one person's passion can shape the world? Even now, Al-Khwarizmi's genius surrounds us. Every math problem you solve, every app you use, he's there. The word algebra, his algorithm, that's him too. His numbers power our calculators. His ideas fuel computer science. In astronomy and maps, his work paved the way for explorers and scientists. He's the unsung hero of our modern world. Quietly amazing. When I see kids learning math or coders building apps, I think that's Al-Khwarizmi's legacy alive today. His spirit still inspires statues, awards, and classrooms everywhere. Isn't it wild how one man from the 9th century touches your life right now? If this story stirred your heart like it did mine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Epic Ummah for more. Your like fuels our mission. Your share spreads prophetic wisdom. and your subscribe builds a fortress for Islamic truth. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.